What's up, guys? It's AMD here, and today we're gonna do budget PC challenge. We have 100 euros, we have 200 euros, we have 300 euros, we have 400, 500, and so on till 3000. I hope I'll get like a pretty easy challenge. And yeah, as always, please like and subscribe. It will help me a lot and would cost you nothing. So I only think that on 100 and 200 euros, an actual PC, which is actually so hard to obtain. Okay, I mean easy, and this would be actually like an office PC to 400, and I think from 500 on, a literal gaming PC with like kind of integrated graphics should be actually pretty okay. And to actually make it for myself easier, I only need to get GPU, CPU, RAM, and motherboard, and yeah, cooling. But cooling is mostly integrated into the CPU. So CPU, GPU, mainboard, and RAM, and PSU. Okay, it will be pretty hard, but let's start with the challenge. Well, for 900 euros. Okay, let's see what we can do with 900 euros. Okay, okay, on Amazon for 900 euros you actually can get so insane things. uh I Bro, no. Okay, so there's an RX 6500 XT. Yeah, actually this one, get it as soon as possible. 166 euros for this. So yeah, if I go here, there's still four. Okay, GPU. Now the CPU, what I think about would be actually one of the newest ones, Ryzen 5, the 7th gen, not a 5th gen. 5th gen, oh, I actually could use for the more 700 euros. But yeah, you see, not a throttle version, as it does not have cooler, and yeah, it actually can make your PC faster dead. And it's actually way cheaper than this. Like, okay, let's add it. Let's add it. And so, with that being said, DDR5. Yeah, exactly that one. Hello. Why do I have always to click 2 times? No thanks. We'll only need main board. The AM5 main boards should be at least an B650. If if we think about this all things that we see, let's check at the no, not this, not this, more like this. No, 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 no. What? No, no, no. No, no Intel. Oh, why there Intel? And the first AM5 mainboard that I actually can see here is on 200 euros, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna scroll real quick to actually see B660. Wait real quick, I'm gonna come back. I'm back after a small conversation with my mom. Wait real quick. I don't even have my mouse connected. Okay, now I do have it. So, okay, let's search for a B650, I guess. Yeah, that's the cheapest one, I guess. And yeah, if I do have like money, then I actually gonna get like an M.2 SSD or something like this. So 700 watt. System power 9. System power 9. Where is it? Here. And this is actually the best budget PC that you actually can get. Okay. No thanks. So 830. So now an M.2 4th gen. Now if we look at the whole things, you see that yeah, they're casting a bit, but if I do M.2, then you will see that this pretty cheap. This is a 4th gen, like 60 euros, and I think with this, I think I actually did a pretty good budget PC. And if you want to get like more budget, then you just delete the graphics card and just use the integrated graphics of the Ryzen 5. Yeah, okay. So I did this. Oh, I did this. Okay. Now we can get rid of 900. Oh boy, oh boy. What will happen? Will I get an RTX 4090 to use today? $200. This is why I actually screenshot everything. So now I get to PC as for 200 euros you actually could do only from eBay or some kind of things, you know. So oh no, this is not good. Till 200 euros and from 100 I guess. So can I buy something? No. Stick PC. Stick PC. What is this? Bro. Okay. So let's check what we're gonna find. Oh wow. Like I just need a simple computer for this, and I think yeah, this is solid. This is solid. Windows 10 Pro. Everything here. So I think this would be like 200 and 120 euro PC. I only see like 8 gigabytes, so you just can like get an SSD, and if there's no, and then just like 16 gigs of RAM, then it's actually pretty solid. Yo, I don't even have to do it, as this is like a complete PC. But I'm gonna find like something differently. Like I'm gonna do real quick the Windows screenshot, and yo, I see here an way better PC. So yeah, for like €1 more. And if I go now to like 4, oh, one of the best things that you actually can see. Okay, like 4th gen. For 200 euros, it's actually pretty solid to get like one. Like this is actually, I think. I think while 160 to 100 to 199. Bro, are they stupid? 160 to 200. Up, let's go. No. 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 Why the hell? No, and i3. Oh, I forgot about these. The Desk Mini. They're like a PSU small, but they actually can get like a Ryzen 5 5600G, and for 300 to 400 euros, actually pretty insane PC. Yeah. Let's check what's actually existing here. Like, is there like i5 6th gen or something like this? No, they are expensive. Frick. But yeah, you actually can find pretty much things, and you actually just need to check the specs. This will take a long time to actually find one, so yeah. I think 100 and 200 are actually now out of the league. And so yeah. Yeah, please be like a higher price, which I can just kind spend on. Oh my god, 1,200. Okay, pretty solid. Yeah, and this time I'm gonna make like an Intel based, like an Intel i5 13600 KF. And for, but I don't want like a PC of this. I want actually like a CPU, more like. It is actually pretty solid either. But here I do have like a 13600 KF. Okay. Can I even buy 13 gen CPU? Bro, this is not stupid. Well, how about doing the 12600 KF? Cause why not? Ooh, ooh, B660, one of the best coolers that you actually can have, and 12600 KF, and then good quality CPU with 16 gigabytes DDR4 RAM, which you actually just, oh, here you can choose the CPU. Depends on what? Oh, like if you choose this, oh my god, this is actually pretty solid. Like you have this bundle for 519. Like okay, let's say 600. And now we come to the like RTX 3070, I guess. So much do they cost? Wow! And they're literally costing so low. And well, you see what's the experience of like literally having this. Okay. and a little different thing. I will go a bit out of budget, but for wait, it was 1200. This is funny, as I just can do another M.2 SSD, like Gen 3. I'm looking where's the Gen 4 one here. Okay. Not only it's under the budget, but it's actually pretty good for gaming. And I actually could like check out if you can the 12700F. Yeah, you actually can do. And yeah, even if it does cost this i7, this is the i5. Now we go here, and for how much euros did I manage to get an insane PC? For like 100 euro more, but I think an RTX 3070 and 12700F and 32 gigs, yeah, and then 1 terabyte PCI Express 4.0 SSD is actually the best thing that you actually can get for 1300 euros. Like, I don't know that. How much would actually cost? And wait. So Windows print screen. Like, if I'm gonna do the 1500 PC, then I think I actually would go for like a 3080, or like, you know. Yeah, it's a bit of a bit more expensive, but if I do like the 2000 PC, that it's actually pretty insane. Okay, let's start with another round. I'm gonna define it into 2 parts. Like, this would be my last PC, and the rest ones I'm gonna get onto the another one. Wow. Wow. Wait real quick, I'm gonna come back. What I actually forgot to mention, okay, is I forgot a PSU at this build. Okay, so now if we are gonna come back, I am doing the biggest anarchy right now. 3000, the literal 3090, which is actually pretty why is the 3090 Ti costing less than a 3090? Hey? Oh, and Founders Edition, the 3090 Founders Edition. I'm always going get it. Like, who does not like the layout of the 3090 Founders Edition? An i9 3900K. Is there a KS? Then sure. Six gigahertz. Yeah, well, we're gonna make the best, the Z790 PC. How cheap are they? I thought they would be like costing the biggest anarchy ever, but if you don't have that kind of workstation, like so insane that what kind of DDR does this use? Okay, so it's using DDR5. Oh, this is bad, as if I'm gonna buy 2 of them. Oh, now I do see that I do have still 2,500. And I actually could get like a 4080, I guess. Let's check how the price is. Guys, I found the best GPU. If I do right now 4090, it's gonna cost like 2,000, okay? The biggest anarchy ever. Okay, yo. If you'll find like a pretty cheap one, then just get it. I'm gonna go with a 4080 as I think it's actually way more comparable towards the 3090, and I still can get like whole things like, well, I'm gonna get my favorite M.2 from Kingston. Okay, where is it? Here. I'm going here and then up to 1000 gigs. If I do this, no thanks. Here we are gonna do the highest quality, and rather now I'm gonna get like a 1000 watt PSU. Like there's nothing which can compare with it. I actually want like a straight power if there's one, and like no dark powers as they are very expensive. No, 经商装把没人工. Wow. Okay, let's check if we go to here to the card. Literally got rid of this. We get for 3,000 in literally straight power 11 and PCI Express 4th gen 1000 gigabyte SSD and 4080 and 32 gigs 2 times, so 64 DDR5 and Z790 Aorus Elite AX, and then this. I don't know if it does have a cooler, so what's the best cooler for this? Bro, oh bro, just don't ask me why I am doing this. Why am I doing this? Okay, 3,100. No, stop, please. I know that this is 3,000, but I don't want you to overheat with your thing. So this is the best computer right now for 3,000. Actually, out of only hardware, you actually just can find for like 3,200, 3,400. Insane specs, and like then like literally every single thing. I go then here and this is the whole thing that I have to screenshot. Okay, so yeah, with that being said, guys, yeah, we're gonna see us at a part 2, I guess, and with that being said, bye.